Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is I Need You to Hold My Hands, and that is by Frank Williams and the Jackson Southerners. And guys, we're in the key of G on today. Very fun key. We're going to get into it. And this song was requested by Righteous. Let's give it up for Righteous. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of G. That's G, A, B, C, D, E, G flat, and G. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we're going to do like we always do. Let's just stretch our hands. Let's crack our knuckles, wiggle them, get the nerves out. All right, let's receive the Jackson Southerners with I Need You to Hold My Hands. That was the Jackson Southerners with I Need You to Hold My Hand. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys, we're going to get through it. So we're starting out with let me give you that beautiful intro. So we're going G, B, D, E, G. Then we're just hitting our 6. And right there on the 6, we're just playing a G6 chord. Hit it again. Then we're going to our 2. We're playing a C major chord over the 2. Then we're going to our 5. We're playing a C major chord on the 5, and we're hitting that twice. Right? And then we're going to our 1. All right. So the song have this beautiful groove. It's just going from the 1 to the 6 the whole time. 1 to the 6. But they're doing it in a nice, cool way. They're going. All right. What are these chords? We're just playing 2 chords. That's a G major chord. And then we're going to our 6, and we're playing an E minor chord. But the way they're doing the bass is like, you kind of got to think like a bass player. You're going 1, 5, 3, 5, 6, 6, 6. Right? So let me kind of sing the song for you. Lord, you know that I'm your child. 1 to the 6, right? And I'm doing can. Why my way gets so hard? You know I just don't understand, oh Lord. All right, let me stop right there. So that last time is we're going. All right, let me give you that. We're going on the 1. We're playing a G major chord. Going to our 7 flat. That's a regular F major chord. Going to our 6. That's an E minor chord. Beautiful chord here. We're on the 5 and we're playing our D minor chord. And then we're going to our 4. Regular C major chord. Oh Lord, I need you to hold my hand. All right, let me stop right there. So we're going, oh Lord. So I'm just playing 2 to the 1. I need you. Regular C major chord on the 2 to hold. On the 5, we're playing a C major chord. My hand. Now, regular G major chord on the 1, right? But we're doing this nice little turnaround. We're going. Let me give you that. We're on our 6, and we're playing this A minor chord. Going to the 5, regular G major chord. Back to the 6, A minor chord. And we're playing that nice little turnaround again. That turnaround, we're just doing a regular C major chord over the 5, and we're going bop, bop, right? So the very last part of the song, we're going, hold me, Jesus, hold me, Jesus. All right, easy, very easy. So we're just going, we're going 1, we're playing our regular G major chord, and we're going boom, boom, Jesus. And then that right there is just a regular E minor chord. Same chords as earlier. Guys, I hope that this was a blessing to you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is cutting out the middleman and cashing in. I remember when I worked at the airport, and there was this one skycap smooth talker, sharp dresser, and apparently allergic to being broke. While the rest of us were out there sweating for tips, he was walking around like he owned a piece of Delta. Naturally, we were all nosy. Finally, I asked him, "Man, how are you pulling this off?" He just smiled, gave me that watch and learn look, and said, "Follow me. We're about to make some friends." Now, I'm thinking he's got some secret tip line or VIP passenger list. Nope. He takes me up to this mysterious area that I've never seen before. Turns out it was the business lounge. He strolls in like he's the CEO, introduces himself, and then introduces me. Then he says to the lounge staff, "If y'all ever need a skycap to help your customers get to their gate, just give me a call." Simple, bold, brilliant. You see, the normal way was that the airline called our company and the company called us. Before long, the business lounge was calling him directly, and the man was booked and busy. I learned that real success isn't always about doing more. It's about thinking differently. Sometimes the elevator to success isn't marked employees only. You just have to be bold enough to write it up and introduce yourself to the right people. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me. And also, thank you again, Righteous, for giving us that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. We're on the road to 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. Of course, this cannot be done without you. So, if numerical melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you could hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yep, you know what they tell me, it takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. I believe that you can hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Thank you so much, guys. You have just made my day, my month, my year. And you know what? You're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.